All right. Well, if you're here on my channel today looking for one of Tyler's tips, you're probably having trouble folding one of these miserable fitted sheets. I'm going to show you how I do it. So what I basically do is get the stretchy part like this in a line, then put my chin here, grab it this way. Now I've got this nice long straight edge, and that's what I want to work with, that straight edge. So what I'm going to do is fold it this way, and I'm going to keep this straight edge. That's all I'm concerned about, okay? And now I can set this down, keep that straight edge, and now I'm folding this way, okay? And now, as you can see, I have a nice square because I'm keeping that straight edge. Now I come again on the straight edge, and I fold again on the straight edge. And then the last time I go again, and voila, a folded fitted sheet. Well, thanks for tuning in today. And hey, if you'll subscribe or give me the like, I'd appreciate it. And I have a few songs here at the end of the video, so click on one of those links and check out some of my music. That's it for Tyler's Tip of the Day. I hope you've enjoyed it. And thanks for tuning in again. Hope we see you again soon. Bye-bye.